What's up YouTube, it's Jenny here, and today I am super excited because today I got my iPhone XS Max. Check it out, there it is. So let's unbox this bad boy. So here it is, the iPhone XS Max. I got the 256 gigabyte gold. So let's open this up, and here we go. Ready? Let's peel this off. Ooh, okay, there goes that. Ooh, okay. There it is. Looking good. Oh, opening it up. Oh, paper. Bruh. Okay, so here we go. What do we got here? Designed by Apple. The usual Apple stuff. Comes with a SIM ejector tool. You know, the stickers, all that good stuff. Let's just put it to the side over here. Here is the phone. Dang, dude. How'd I put? Okay, here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I don't want to look at the back yet. First, you know, got your headphones. No dongle for the headphones for like the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, but so just regular headphones, charger, not the fast charger either. Apple don't want to give that to us. We gotta spend extra money. But here's the phone, gold. Ready? Boom! Dang, that looks nice. That looks way better in person. I ain't gonna lie. The camera, it don't look good on the camera. I mean, in person it looks way better. Got the gold on the side. Ooh, ooh. Okay, I'm gonna power this on. Dang, look at that screen. Okay, so here's a, you know, let me set this up for fast, and then you know, I'll get back to y'all. Okay, so there we go. Finally got it set up. It did take a little while to get it set up, but I finally got it. There it is. Check it out. The gold on the back. Okay, so here's my other one, which has a cracked back, by the way. Check it out. iPhone 10 versus iPhone XS Max. Dang, look at that. Dude, that's sick. Dang, dude, that's a big phone. It's a monster of a phone. Okay, so let's, I'm gonna take some pictures with it because I heard the camera's supposed to be way better. So I'm gonna take some pictures with it, test it out real fast. Dang, dude. Okay, so that was the camera photo there. So, dang, just dang. Just look at that screen. Look at that. Just look at that, dude. Oh my god. So yeah, I'm also gonna take some video of this too. Let me see. So I think it has a 6.5-inch screen. The A11 Bionic chip, or A12 Bionic chip, my bad. What else we got? Videos. Ooh. Time lapse, slow mo. Bro, that. So here's a picture I just took, right? Y'all see that? Let me lower the brightness down a little bit. Okay, so there's a picture I just took, right? So now you click edit, and you could change the aperture, I think it's called. The depth of field, the depth of view. See how the background, it's like getting like not blurry, it's like normal. You switch it all the way, and boom, it's like super blurry, and then it's like halfway blurry. Dang, dude, dang, that is nice. That is nice. Apple, you did good with this phone. So that is the new iPhone XS Max. This is the rose gold. You can't really see it on camera, but trust me, it's rose gold. Not rose gold, regular gold. It's like champagne gold, more like a champagne gold. But you can't really see it. But man, it is a fingerprint magnet. I tell you what, you know. I don't know if you guys see this. Can y'all see that? There's fingerprints everywhere. Definitely want to put a case on this. Beautiful looking phone. So that is my new iPhone XS Max, 256 gigabyte gold. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time. Peace.